Professional malpractice happens when a person or perhaps an organization hires a professional to perform services, and that professional does so in a negligent manner. In other words, they failed to meet a certain minimum standard of care required by that profession, and as a result, the client is harmed. Typically, when we think of professional malpractice, we think of legal malpractice or medical malpractice, where a lawyer or doctor is negligent. But professional malpractice can arise in a variety of situations where a person is hired for their particular skill and expertise. For example, you may have professional malpractice in accounting or engineering or architecture. Other areas may include investment advisors or even real estate professionals. Professional malpractice cases are often complex. One of the reasons is in order to determine whether or not there has been professional malpractice, you have to first determine what the applicable standard of care is. And in order to determine the standard of care, that usually requires consulting with an expert in that field. So for example, if you're bringing a claim for accounting malpractice, you have to speak with an accountant who does that same type of work. So if it is a public accountant who negligently performed an audit, you need to talk to and consult with another public accountant who works in that area as well. Our firm has substantial experience in complex litigation, and specifically we have experience in professional malpractice. I have personally worked on cases involving architects, lawyers, doctors, accountants, but in each case when someone comes with us with a potential malpractice claim, often the first thing we do is seek out the advice of another expert in the field. And if that expert supports that there was malpractice, we will aggressively pursue the claim on behalf of the client.